Welcome back to the channel, TechSurgeon.tv. I'm your host, the Tech Surgeon. Well, let me guess, you have been having some trouble with this one. Your Amazon FireTV stick remote control. It is no longer controlling your television or syncing to the FireTV stick, to be more precise. Well, I've had this trouble recently myself. So I want to show you a few simple steps to get your remote control back synced to your FireTV stick. You could do this. This is really a 1 or a 0 on the difficulty scale. This is not difficult, but it does take patience. Do not get frustrated. Remember, you may have to do this procedure 2, 3, 4 times to get it right, depending on your particular FireTV stick. First of all, what you want to do is start out by pressing what we call the hamburger symbol, or the 3 lines, and also the back button, and also the left directional control at the same time. Press and hold those until it begins to flash, and then it will actually flash faster. You got to do this for at least 20 seconds, maybe 30. And now you see the remote control is no longer controlling. I have erased it. I have erased the sync. It is no longer controlling my FireTV stick. So the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm actually going to unplug the FireTV stick from power. So this is your step 2. Unplug the FireTV stick from power. You want to do that for at least a minute. While that's being done, go ahead and take the batteries out of your FireStick remote. All right, go ahead and count down, or look at your phone or clock. Make sure you keep everything down for at least a minute, and then you're gonna replug the FireTV stick. Let's cut to that now. 1057, 1058, 1059, 1060. Okay. I'm going to power back up the FireTV stick. Okay, while that powers up, I'm going to go ahead and put my batteries back into my remote control. I'm going to wait till I get to a normalized screen, till it stops booting and gets to a normalized screen. So now that the television is repowered and on a normalized screen, we're going to wait for it to recognize that it does not have any sync Bluetooth remote in range. This may take a while. Be patient. You may have to perform this procedure multiple times to get it to work. Sometimes it's just on the first try. Sometimes seems to be a difference in fire sticks. Be patient. It's going to work out for you. Don't be frustrated. Okay, here's the screen we've been looking for. The TV recognizes that it has no paired remote. We're going to hold the home button. Hold the home button down, and it's going to begin to flash, and it's going to begin to search and try to sync out to this FireTV stick. So we'll hold that down. The light is flashing now. It's flashing green on this particular one. And we'll see here. I think you have to do it for at least 20 seconds. My flashing light has turned blue and turned off. Okay, it may be synced now. Let me go ahead and try it by hitting the enter button, or the center of the circle. And there it is. I am now back synced. Now that didn't take long at all. Yes, I am moving around. I am able to move around. I'm going to go ahead and enter on my normal screen here. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helped you out. Please go to the channel. There's many other do-it-yourself and technical how-to videos and tools organization and all kind of wonderful things. Thank you very much. Let me hand you through to the next video. How about right up here?